Hello.
That was,
Hello.
that was like perfect.
Okay,
I had
anyways.
to ruin it, sorry.
Topic
Of the day.
of the day. Shallowness. What do you have to say about shallowness? I can't talk. What do you have to say about shallowness?
It doesn't exist.
People out there are shallow, okay?
Everyone,
I myself is shallow. I'm sorry to say.
everyone is. I mean, people that say they're not,
That's such a lie.
yeah, they're at least like 5% shallow. I don't know.
Point 125. Yeah, it's really sad. I don't know
To admit.
to admit, but I am shallow too. Like, if I look like, I don't know,
A hot mess.
this, I probably wouldn't be friends with myself either.
OMG.
Just kidding. I come
No.
in peace.
I mean, I don't know anybody that looks like that.
That looks like what? Like this.
We're gonna get some like hate
I know.
comments or whatever.
Just so you know, YouTube, we come in peace. Throw up the peace sign, honey. What do you have to do? A little nod.
Oh my gosh, I need to get my nails done.
Yeah. Love you.
Yeah, we're shallow.